What's up, kids? It's Devlog Saturday, and wouldn't you know it, it's been another week of grueling labor under the hood. You know, building an audience on YouTube isn't easy when your day-to-day activities are so damn monotonous. I don't get into drama, I don't harass cops, I don't even drink rubbing alcohol. But we live in a backwards world where people will spend literal hours watching a McDonald's wagey cook freaking French fries, so I guess I don't have any excuse. This week, I rewrote the entity system to be much cleaner. In my system, every entity, or actor as I call them, is made up of components which define the actor's properties and behavior. In the old system, components were objects. In the new system, components are data structures. And because I still don't have anything graphical to show you, for once I'm actually going to explain to you what I'm talking about. An object contains two things: data and methods. Objects generally shouldn't expose their implementation. This means they shouldn't simply let other objects directly reference their data. Rather, objects communicate through their methods, using them to send each other abstracted versions of their data. You could say an object is a level 100 mob boss who keeps its cards close to its chest and only communicates through secure channels. Data structures, on the other hand, are complete sluts. Data is the only thing a data structure is good for, a thing which they readily expose for any and all objects to directly reference and manipulate. Data structures exist to be passed around like a boppet and then discarded as soon as they've worn out their use. Truly, the streets are a savage place. Wait, what was I talking about? Right, the game. Now that my components are data structures and no longer perform their own operations, I have to rewrite many of the major subsystems that handle them. On the plus side, the project is starting to feel much cleaner and more compartmentalized. For your reference, if you want to avoid making spaghetti and losing months of work, make sure that each of your objects has clearly defined responsibilities and is nicely encapsulated from other objects. If you find yourself writing methods with no purpose other than to return a variable, ask yourself if that variable would be better held in a data structure instead. That's about as entertaining as back-end code gets, so stay tuned. This week, I'm planning on finishing work on all of the major entity systems so I can finally move past this brick wall. Until then, enjoy your day and have a great week.